For Team 516 and our entire robotics club, Mr. Olson has become much more than a mentor. Since 2010, Mr. Olson has been providing continuous support to our club and its members, offering endless opportunities. Mr. Olson opened doors for us, giving us all the opportunities we need for success. He has dedicated his garage into a workshop, his patio into a field, allowing 5 teams to spend countless hours working on our robots and in the process establishing unforgettable memories and relationships. Mr. Olson does not stop at giving advice. Instead, he has taught us all how to learn, by making a constant effort to encourage mistakes until extremity. Over the years, Mr. Olson has consistently gone beyond helping our team and the robotics club. He has constantly been involved in the Florida State Championship as both an FTA and lead hardware inspector. Every member of our club has been positively influenced by Mr. Olson, and every one of them can tell you how their first journey would not have been as impactful nor inspirational without the support and guidance from Mr. Olson. We Team 516 Gears of Fire are honored to nominate Jim Olson, Mentor and Motivator for the Compass Award.